Welcome to the very first edition, very first episode, the debut of Cooking with Chris. I put on pants for this video, no shirt. So I've got a recipe here on McCormick's basil leaves. Check it out, really awesome recipe. Made my grocery shopping a lot harder, just tracking down all these ingredients. But it's pretty basic. It's a little bit expensive with the halibut, but I decided to go for it. So you got a halibut fillet. Okay, I've got my sauce going here. But first, so it was the ingredients. So this is on medium-low heat right here. And I'll tell you what I got in here. So, I got some, first of all, let's get some of my mess out of the way. I got some Alaskan halibut from it's Sam's Choice brand from Walmart. It's pretty expensive for me, but it's if you want to spend 20 bucks. There's two large pieces of fish here. I'll show you. I've got them over here. They're soaking in some warm water. Cooking with Chris. Here we go. So this sauce that I have cooking here, oh man, low medium heat. It is, let's see, I've got some diced tomatoes. Before I added the diced tomatoes, I cooked up some chopped onions. So that was the first step. Step one, oil and diced onions. Cook them until they've got a little bit of color to them, and then add your diced tomatoes. That's what I've got cooking here. I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit, get some flavor going, and then I'm gonna go on to the next step here with McCormick. You're gonna watch. Can you keep an eye on that for me while I read the directions on this and not edit any of it out? I'm going to keep talking to keep this video interesting. There is a Chihuahua on the lookout for anything I may drop. A lot of times he eats things in the kitchen that he shouldn't eat, like that bug. Okay, so next step, I've got my sauce cooking. It's going to be just a few minutes on that, on a low to medium heat. My laundry is beeping at me. I don't care. It's my day off and I'm enjoying it. I'm cooking, I'm doing laundry, listening to country music. Okay, so the other thing I've got in my measuring cup right now, I've got a half cup of pitted olives. I've got a unique set of pitted olives. If I can find the container, where's it at? It's in the sink. I am using these. They're cocktail olives. They're pitted manzanilla Spanish olives. Woohoo! Gonna have a kick to it. It's gonna be awesome. So I have got them in here with some onions. They're looking good. I ripped them in half by hand because I really don't have any idea how to cook. So there's my olives. That's probably going to be the next step on here, okay? So I didn't drain the tomato sauce like I was supposed to because I don't care. Because I don't care at all. Just like I don't care about wearing shirts. And usually no pants either. Okay, I got my half cup pitted olives, halved, 2 tablespoons of white wine. I don't have white wine, so I'm going to try this super duper old expired sherry right here because I want to get rid of it. It expired and gosh, who knows when. I don't even want to know everything. I mean, I don't know. There's a recipe on there. It expired March the 13th, 2019. Not too bad. Okay, this is looking nice. This looks tasty and yummy. I think I'm going to be a chef now. Okay, so that's looking good. What else do we have on this recipe list? Okay, we've got to add. We've added the diced tomatoes, and you add. Now we're going to add the half cup of pitted olives. Oh my gosh! Ah! Man. Oh man, it smells good. I've never really used pitted olives in a recipe. I've apparently never said the word olive out loud before. You guys make me very self-conscious of my southern accent. I apologize. I apologize for being southern. Okay, got my pitted olives cooking. They're halved. I got 2 tablespoons. You know, you don't really need to measure things, but I'm going to use this super old expired wine. Let's see, does this, you guys tell me when to stop. I guess that looks like 2 tablespoons, right? Screw it. Okay, we're going to blend that up real nice. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. Okay, so I've got my oven preheating. The recipe said 375, but the package of halibut said 450. So I'm gonna be safe. My oven is not the best, so it's gonna take a little bit more to cook that fish properly. Okay, so I've got most of the ingredients. Let's check the back of the basil container again and see what we got. Check out this beautiful dish that we have cooking on the stove. My stove is it's a GE. It came with the house. It's very amazing. Ooh, there's my big fat belly in the microwave. Okay, let's keep going. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay guys, this video is going amazing. You guys are, like, I'm gonna get so many subscribers for this. Hey buddy, you don't want any of this. Okay, cute dog. Okay, ooh, garlic powder. This is where it gets good. Okay, basil leaves. Oh, I almost forgot the main ingredient. Basil leaves. Yeah, let's do this. Alright, cracking it open. Ooh, I don't want that side. You gotta make sure you do the right side. I'm just gonna go crazy with it. Actually, you know what? Bam, 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 bam. Okay, basil leaves. Basil, how do you guys say basil? Basil. Okay, garlic salt. Garlic salt goes on everything. I could almost do it in the big hole, but I'm going to use a small hole. I love some garlic, so I'm going to bam, bam, bam that all over the place. Bam, 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 bam. Look at all that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is going to be... I don't know. I usually don't do seafood, so we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, next up we got... we're going to use some thyme. I got some of this thyme off of eBay. And it's, you know, I was getting it during the pandemic, so I had to make do with what I could find. Originally got it for some spaghetti recipes, but it's going to go good in this. I'm not going to make as big of a mess with this thyme last time. Last time with the thyme, I was cleaning up thyme for some time. Okay, that looks like enough. I'm not a huge fan of thyme. Time is on my side. Time is on my main course. Time. Okay. Simmer for 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to go to simmer. I'm going to go to 3 minutes. Oh man, this smells good. I might do this for like some noodles one day. This smells... What do you think, guys? This might go good on noodles. Okay, back to the instructions. You're going to let this go for 3 minutes. I'm not going to keep track because I don't care at all. Okay, I'm going to spoon this over fish. Okay, so here you go. So that's how you make the sauce. You're going to let this cook for 3 minutes just to get a nice blend going. 3 minutes, and then once your fish is cooked, you're going to dump this on top of the fish, the halibut. I don't think I've ever had halibut before. For the halibut. Okay, for the halibut. For the halibut. For the halibut. Then you're going to bake it all together for 5 more minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with your fork. This makes 6 servings, so I'll probably eat all this and then like go to Burger King afterwards. Because that's how we roll here at the Norwood house, right buddy? Buddy? I guess Buddy ate all the crumbs that were... Yep, Buddy cleaned the kitchen floor. Very good for him. Poor fat chihuahua. Okay, but we're going to get one last quick look at this. Okay, man, that's going to be awesome. And I think my fish are about done. Okay, we're going to get this tray for my very clean baking pan here. It's awesome. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's some good looking fish there. I'm going to put it on there. Put it on there. You don't need to wash your hands ever. There's no reason to wash your hands. Washing your hands is dangerous. Especially like you just like stick your fingers in all your food, especially raw meat. I'm kidding. I hope I don't get flagged for inappropriate discussion. Buddy, what are you doing? Buddy? Okay. So I think the oven is about ready. We're going to open this up. Be careful not to... Okay. Holy smokes. This seems pretty amazing. And there you have it, folks. I'm going to turn the oven off. I'm gonna let this... I've turned the heat off on this. And we are going to... we're going to let the fish... we're going to let it cook for probably about, we're going to have to check the bag again to make sure that we're doing this right. Pretty, the fanciest cooking show in the universe. Are you guys ready? Preheat the oven to 450, bake 10 to 14 minutes. It's about to ding that the oven is ready. So we're going to do, a kitchen timer. Do 16 minutes. And there you have it, guys. I don't know, do you guys want just a live, do you just want like a live video of the 16 minutes? Like, I can be quiet if you guys just want to watch. You guys want to watch the fish be cooked? I will get out of the reflection. So you get, oh, my knees, I'm so old. So you just see a reflection of my cabinets, my dishwasher, in my pristine oven here. Coffee, cereal, toast, cereal, spices, cooking food, onions that are rotting out of refrigeration, and wine and can opener, garlic powder. Is it still good? What is that date on there? April 22. Oh man, it's actually not expired. That's awesome, guys. Thanks. Alright, we're gonna... Okay, it's been in there... Oh man, like, so we've wasted a minute of baking time talking. That may have sped it up a little bit. What do you think? I'm gonna go ahead and eat this raw fish now. And anyway, that's a good recipe. I will show you just real quick, since I'm not gonna finish it in the video. Whitefish Provencal with a soup con on the sea. Have you guys heard about that letter? I just started seeing it everywhere. But yeah, it's a soup con on the sea. Yeah, so I will never follow this up ever with any other content. But yeah, pretty cool recipe. I just want to do something different tonight. So I hope you guys have a good one. And me and Buddy, hey Buddy, hey, you want to sit? You want to sit? Hey Buddy, sit, 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 sit. Oh, he knows I don't have anything for him, so he's not gonna sit on tile. Okay, guys, have a blessed night, and I'm gonna go live my life right now. Real quick, back to my main topic of my YouTube channel. Today I've been kind of trying to get through the discography of Toby Keith. It's pretty terrible. I'm not enjoying it, and I plan on my next project is going to be, let me get you guys a good view of this sauce. Oh man, it's beautiful. Man, my YouTube channel is all over the place. So my next listening project is going to be Elton John. It's going to be a nice change from Toby Keith, another solo artist. I'm pretty excited about it. I think Elton John, he is definitely one of the world's greatest musicians, singer-songwriters, piano player, and I can't wait to deep dive into his entire discography and see what else I like other than Tiny Dancer and Candle in the Wind and I Want Love. So yeah, but anyway, back, so you know, food in this video, music in the future, maybe some more cooking videos. Cooking with Chris, this could be the thing. Music and food and all kinds of stuff. Okay, you guys have a good night. Bye.